Earlier this year, global language learning platform Preply ascended to unicorn status with a valuation north of $1 billion. That was following a $150 million Series D funding round. I sat down with Preply Chief Executive Kirill Bigai, who disclosed how he would deploy the new capital, as well as what inspired him to launch the company in 2012. Take a listen.
It starts from my own experience. When I was in university, I really understood that at some point I would like to be a global entrepreneur and build a global business. And for that, I had to significantly improve my English skills. So I've tried all different methods. And at some point, I tried a tutor who was doing online classes. And together with my co-founder, Dmitro, we saw a phenomenal opportunity to create a marketplace where you can find those tutors from many different countries. And in this way, we really wanted to increase access to personalized learning. Today, on Preply, 90% of classes are happening between learners and tutors who are physically in different countries. So you can see it's a very global marketplace, and today we are available in more than 180 countries.
And how do you plan to allocate the capital from this funding round?
Yeah, we will continue to do what we do better than others, invest in our product and AI capabilities. We really want to improve our platform end-to-end, make it more personalized, more human, and more efficient. And we are still scratching the surface of the market. The market is massive. It's more than 2 billion people in the world who want to improve language skills. A lot of them are our audience, serious learners, and we have to start scaling our brand. So we'll start doing this in Europe and the United States, and then hopefully we'll scale to other regions as well.
Who is the Preply user?
So as I mentioned, we like to call them serious learner. So those are the customers who see language skill to be a very important investment for them, not just a hobby. They usually want to improve language to be able to connect with their colleagues, partners, relatives abroad. They want to progress in their careers. For many of them, language is paramount to get to the next stage. And they also want to belong at their workplaces, in their communities when they relocate, or when they're traveling. So yeah, all in all, those are the customers that we focus on, and we really want to build the best experience for them.
And I understand that Preply launched in 2012, and you were using virtual learning back then. That was 8 years before the pandemic in 2020. Did you see a spike in virtual learning on the Preply platform when the pandemic hit?
Yes, we had seen growth, and we believe that it was a very interesting momentum in our history. I think the online video platforms, they became much more mainstream, and it definitely translated in more and more customers selecting online tutoring. It also was a year of a lot of people felt isolated. So many of them came to Preply to also seek for those human connections that we provide.
And how is Preply leveraging AI?
Yeah, we love investing in AI. This is one thing that we are very passionate about, and we already have a very, very strong setup. So we apply AI across all the journey. We start with the most important part, matching you with the right tutor. We use AI to find that one tutor for you that will change your trajectory. And through data, we've seen that selecting the right tutor is the biggest driver of success. And then when class is starting, we actually have them in our video classroom. And with AI, we analyze classes, track progress, and generate exercises to practice between the lessons. On the tutor side, we also have a lot of administrative tasks that we are automating for them, so they can focus on what they do the best, teaching the world.
In terms of AI and the way you're using it on the platform, do you think it's ever going to replace that one-on-one human connection in the learning space?
Yeah, actually, we see the opposite. Customers come to Preply because they seek for those human connections. In fact, we recently ran an efficiency study, and 96% of our customers said that having conversations with real human tutor was the key driver of their success. And, it makes sense. Language. First of all, we learn language to connect and communicate to other human beings, not with robots. And then secondly, it's a journey. It's not just transactional knowledge transfer. It's a long journey to acquire some skill and you need to have a lot of dedication and a lot of commitment. And we believe that human tutors are really superior in that. They really build and establish this emotional connection between them and learners. They help learners to stay motivated, keep them accountable, to show up, to learn, and keep learning.
What differentiates Preply from other online learning platforms?
Frankly, I believe that Preply is quite unique today. So we're really committed to human plus AI learning method. And the first part, human, we have built the largest marketplace for online language classes in the world. So as I mentioned, we have more than 100,000 active tutors. And it's the largest network of tutors in the world. So with this, we have established this very strong network effect that is very difficult to disrupt. And on top of that, we are layering our strong capabilities in technology and AI to personalized end-to-end journey. So I think we are really good in both of them, which makes us very unique.